So I got Crumbl cookies so you don't have to. So if you've never heard of Crumbl, they are, hold on, let me show you this. So berry crunch, that's like their Captain Crunch flavor. Coconut fudge, this is like their Girl Scout cookie Samoa. Chocolate chip and vanilla bean cupcake. I'm gonna try this first. High hopes for this one. Very disappointing, barely any flavor. Let's try the next one. Do you see the size of this thing? You can never go wrong with the chocolate chip. Vanilla bean cupcake. That one is cooked to perfection. So moist, so much flavor. Chef's kiss. Caramel, chocolate, all in one. Let's go. I am